Hello guys, welcome to ForexTradingZones. Carlos over here with a new video on our free trade alert that we did in Facebook. So you see it right here on the screen. Let me zoom in and for you to look. This was a trade alert from yesterday. Um, Let me see if I can make it a full screen. And let me get out. There you go. There you have it on the screen. Haha, much better. Okay, let's go. Here it is. This was yesterday. Uh, right here. This was the alert around yeah, the 20th. We were working this bar right here. Okay, this was the bar being worked around I would say 11 p.m. yesterday, between 8 and 12 midnight. Okay, they were working that bar. This is the 240 chart that we are working on. Okay, trading the pound CAD. So, how did we came out with this, setup? They emailed me this morning, and I wanna go over that quickly. Video no more than 10 minutes. So let's get to it. Okay, here is on the screen the original 240, and as you can see, let me minimize this. Let me move it out of the screen, and let me take this out. And this is where is it? What is it? Let me see. Let's go forward, and let's go here. And there it is. Okay, there you see it on the screen right now. This was a trade. I haven't touched anything. I have not moved my targets. I have not moved any drawing. I just want to go over with you guys in a blank chart as to how I came out with it. So here it is. Here is the you know brand new chart, clean without anything. So what do we do right here? What do we coach you? This is what I coach. We go over. Let me put this on the screen. This is what I coach my students. Okay, first I teach them that these are the steps that you need to follow every day. It's like rules. Okay, these are the rules. You gotta go and find the trend of the day, right? What is the prevailing trend going on in the markets? Now, when there is the harmony, harmony between both trends, like when both of them match, then you go for the open zones. I'm gonna go in details on that. Then what else do we need? We need fibs targets. We need Fibonacci. I'll teach you that as well. Now, very, very important. You need to get your support and resistance levels. This is, I think, the most important thing of all. And all retail traders get this wrong because they don't know where the currency is going. They don't know where the bankers are going for. So this is very important and it's something that I stressed a lot when we are going over the coaching. So let's get to it. The zones. Oh, also, what is this? What is the, once we find our PSRs, we easily will identify the open zone to trade for that particular currency. Now, we don't take many trades during the week. We trade most of the London session, but we don't take that many trades. I mean, you're gonna get 3 setups per day sometimes, guys. I mean, there are 23 currencies that we trade with my students, and we only trade probably 6 of them during the week. One thing that we do here is that we don't trade for 5 or 10 pips unless we are really, really scalping the market. So, going back to the chart, let's say, so first thing we need to do, trend of the day. Let's get this out of the screen. What is the trend of the day? Wait, first thing I want for you guys to know is that I always like to get also my top and my bottom. There it is, the top and bottom of my chart. Okay, that's what I like to do first. Now, once I get this, I want to go and find my trend of the day. So I'll go to the 240. This is my 240 chart, and I can easily see that these guys are working a channel. Oh, let me see here, right here, and this is the support. How do I know that? Let me show you something I'm gonna do right here. Let me get rid of the legs extension, the left, and let me move that out of the way so you can see it clearly. There it is. So there it is, my 45-degree angle channel, and as you can see, these the big guys, they know where the line is. They know what it is. They know what it is, right? Those are my 3 points. 1, 2, 2, and even 3 points right there. So they are working this channel. Now the channel is going where? South, right? Now let's go to the daily chart and see what the daily chart is telling us. Okay, the daily chart is telling us also, right? You can see it right here. Okay, there is the channel. What are they doing? What is the prevailing trend? Okay, here's my prevailing trend. So my prevailing trend is equal to my trend of the day, correct? So if they are equal, what's gonna happen? The currency is gonna keep going south. So if I know those two things, now I need to find out where is the currency going. So let's go back to the 240. All right, 6 minutes. We got 4 minutes to go this video, guys. I don't want to make you all stay for 15 minutes to understand this. I need to do now. Well, we have the trend of the day. We have the prevailing trend. We have that. Now we need the fibs, right? Let's get the fibs. Let's get the fibs from top to bottom. Here it is. I like to get my 70A6 always. Let's see, bottom to the top. Booyah, right there. Okay, and there you have it. Actually, hold on, let me see. This is the one that I have to draw because the bottom that I have here is this. This is the prevailing bottom on my trade, on the trend, I'm sorry, of the day from yesterday. Here it is. So let's zoom in. There it is. Here is my top, right? There's the top of the fibs. Here is the bottom right there at that line. And you can see clearly what the guys are doing right here. Look, here's the 61, right? Here's my 78.6. And what they did, all that we have done is the following. We have taken the bottom, we have taken from here to here, right? This is my fifth. Now, where did they bounce? You see this big drop right here, guys? Look at this drop right here. They drop and they stop where? This is where it stopped, at the 68 level. So now that I know this number, I want to see if there is a way to trade the bounce. So what do we do now? I get my fibs. I'll see if there is a garly in place. Let's see. I'm gonna get the measurements from the top this time to the bottom, which is this candle. And there you have it. Look at what they done. Took the bottom, they bounced it to where? To the 61A number. Now we have a garly pattern in place. So what we will do, we will take well, we will do that later. I mean, let me not jump ahead on this because all we have done right now is get the fibs, right? Fibs are gone. Fibs are taken care of. We got our fib targets. We have identified some pattern going on. We don't know what it is right now. Forget about, if it is a garly or not. We just know that there is a pattern in place and they've been bouncing it to numbers that the bankers and you know what's going on now. Now you know what the bankers are seeing. Now you know that they are bouncing those levels on the fibs. So now get your support resistance levels. Let's do that. Plain and simple. Let's go and take, going back, what is our resistance? Well, right here. You see this from here, from this top to this bottom, they stop right there. So this became support, right? This is a support level. Here is a resistance level. You see it? Right here is resistance. This resistance created this support. This support created this resistance. But now the thing is that when we were trading last night, we were right here. We were already at this level. Now, just by looking at this, you need to identify what's going on in the markets. Okay, let me go back and jump. That's what I like, e-signal. So I can jump anytime to where I was yesterday. I was right here. So let's jump over there. That's where we were yesterday. Okay, that's exactly where we were sitting when we posted the Facebook trade. You can see it right here. Let me see if I can find it now. I don't know where it goes. Where did it go? There you go. Right here. Right? There it is. That's where we were last night. So that candle is that candle. So now we can play a forward. Let me change this template to default. So okay. Oh no. I don't like that one the way it looks. Hold on, guys. Target. The same. Let me see. Regular. That's better. There you go. Okay, good. So now we know that, and we know that they bounce. Well, okay, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna get it here. Boom, done. So that you can see this. So they bounce it right here. I want you guys to see this bounce at the 61A, which is that. So I'll leave it extended. Sorry about that. I'll leave it extended. So let's go and find our draw our PSRs. Here we go. There is one over here, right? We identified that. Let me change that to resistance. Okay, so there was a resistance, but we are sitting right here. So that resistance level is just for reference. It doesn't do us any good. Okay, let's find now support, because that's the one that they were gonna try to break when they're going down, when they're gonna bounce or break it or break through. So where was a support? There was one right about here. In here, there was this support created. Let me make it support. Let me change the color on that. Sorry. Yeah, there you go. There was a support. What is another support? Let me make the support. There is another support right here. You see that? All right. So now that we have that in place, okay. Now we can see clearly, we can identify clearly that they were working inside here it is, inside a wedge. You guys see it? If you guys don't see it, you guys need to go and look at the videos. Right there is a descending triangle. Sell signal the moment they take this out. We were waiting for that. Now, when you have your fibs in place and you have your PSRs in place, now you as a trader need to figure it out if the bankers are seeing the same that you have in your screen. So you need to look for, confluence. Where's the confluence in the market? Look, clearly, there was confluence right here. Right here. Do you guys see it? Confluence. You see, here's your fib. Okay, this line is your fib, right? This is the 38. And you see this? This is a resistance. So you can see the confluence there. Where's the next confluence? Right here, right at the 38. Yep, right here. Right here. See that? Right there. That is the other, what do you call it? The other confluence going on in the markets. So if they break through that, what do you think is going to happen? Exactly. That's what's going to happen. If they break through it, they're going to take this south. And that's what I'm expecting. Now, let's go over to see what really happened. Okay, let's play this and see what they did. Now, this is the 240. Let me go to the 60. The reason why I want to go to the 60, guys, is to show you how to enter into the trade. So in the 60 minutes, and let's go to the 20th of yesterday, right about here. Okay, we are going to jump to this area right here. Right here. Boom. This is where we were last night on this trade. Okay. There it is. There is the setup. And we're gonna play this. Let's play it and see what happened. There you go. Boom. Let's just stop it right there. And what I want to show you guys is that the alert, when I sent you guys an alert, okay, which by the way, I think it was 183.70, if I'm not mistaken, 184.70, and the stop loss was at 185.10, and you have the target profit at 183.80. I think that's what it was, if I'm not mistaken. Let me put it over here. Let's get it out of the way, and let's go right here, and let's look at, yeah, here it is, 184.70, entry point, stop loss 185.10. So We have that. Why? Why do I have that? Why did I give you that entry? When you're trading with us, I will teach you how to trade and how to look for this. What is that? Bear flag, correct? So when I send you the alert, you need to come into the chart and understand and go and look by yourself what is going on, what is Carlos looking for, why is he sending this alert, correct? Now, 185.10, as you can see, is this area. And this area right here is a big resistance. I'm sorry, right here. You see this resistance being built 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. There was a big area of resistance. So I sent you these, right, 185.10 as your stop, just in case they break through it and they go north, just in case. You don't know what's going to happen. You don't know if they are going to bounce off the bottom of the wedge, take it to the top of the channel, and keep going to the north. You don't know that. I don't know that. One thing I know is that I will identify my bear flags, which I already did. And look at what happened. We break through, and uh, there it is. There is the break, right? They went through it, and now let's play it again. Let's see what's going on with the tray. Okay, let's play it. There it is, another hour. Every bar is 1 hour, and there you go. Let's pause it. Boom. They ran it. They ran it, and they ran it. They even took the support out at 183.59, and they kept going. Let's play it. And now they came back this morning, I think. That is the trade of this morning already. Yep, there it is. Okay, guys, so that was the setup. That's how it played out for about 95 pips, I think it was. Somebody emailed me that he took it all the way to the bottom of the support. He took it at 183.59. So from 184.70, 83.60 is about 111 pips. So not bad for one day to take 100, 1,000, 1,100, that was, what is it, 111 or 110 pips. Let's count 110 pips. That's the average that everybody did on this trade to the bottom. Okay, so there you have it. 17 minutes, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that this video. You need to come to the classes, look at the videos, stay with us in the training rooms, because we do not trade that much. We set up the trades, we look for setups, we look for the right setup, then we take that trade. Okay, when it is the right time, we take it. We wait and we wait and we wait for the trade until it proves to us that it wants to go where the target is telling us. And you can see the right here, when it broke this past support, and it broke the following, it went straight to the open zone. That was our target. This was our target right here. It was set up for that, and those are the open zones that we refer to right here. All right, how to trade the open zone. This is what we trade. So very important, extremely important. This previous support and resistance. These two things are extremely, extremely, extremely important. If you know your PSRs, you will trade for those open zones. Okay, so I hope you guys have fun. I hope you guys understand a little bit as to how do we look for setups, how do we trade the markets using our coaching. So hope to see you guys later. All right, take care and have a wonderful day. And remember, tomorrow is non-farm payroll, so be flat. Do not have anything, because it's extremely crazy. It's cuckoo. All right. So take care, everybody. 20 minutes video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Take care. Bye bye.